Hello friends, welcome in my channel Digital Marketing Learners. Today's topic is what is marketing. Introduction of marketing, meaning of marketing, objectives of marketing, difference between marketing and selling, key functions of marketing, importance of marketing. What is marketing? We are consumer, and when we go to the superstore to buy the product, we see some products there and some have to search about how we got these products. Through products placement, production, processes and distribution, each one is part of marketing. Marketing is a multifaceted business process that involves a wide range of activities aimed at promoting and selling products or services. It encompasses the strategies and tactics used to identify, create, communicate, and deliver value to customers, with the ultimate goal of satisfying their needs and wants, as well as achieving the company's objectives. Key abbreviation of marketing. Seller. A seller is someone who sells things to people. Buyer. A buyer is someone who purchases things from sellers. Consumer. A consumer is someone who buys and uses products or services. How consumer is different from buyer. Buyer is who buy the product and consumer is who actually uses the product. Customer. A customer is someone who make the buying decision. Market. A market is a platform where products and services are exchanged between buyers and sellers. Market is huge term. It includes buyer type, market volume like wholesale or retailers. Basically market focus on groups of buyers, related volume, product type or where from like Jaipur, Ludhiana and so on. Marketer. A marketer is a person who promotes, sells or advertises products or services to consumers.
Let's understand the process of buying diaper with example. A superstore Big Bazaar, who sells the diaper is the seller. Diaper is buying father of the baby, he is the buyer. Mother is taking the decision to buy the diaper for her baby, she is the customer. And baby is uses the diaper, he is consumer.
Thank you friends for being here. Question of the day is, how many types of marketing are there? Comment in the box. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos.